Ever wondered about the secret to luscious, vibrant hair without resorting to harsh chemicals? Well, ponder no more. It's time to bid farewell to those artificial, store-bought hair dyes and embrace the power of Mother Nature. Imagine unlocking the secret of radiant hues and stunning shine, all from the comfort of your kitchen. Natural ingredients not only serve to color your hair, but also nourish it from root to tip. Today, we have a special recipe for a natural hair dye that you can create right in your home. It's our natural hair dye called Mocha Java Delight. Creating your own natural hair dye is easier than you think. Let's jump right into it. First, gather all your ingredients. Ingredients are 2 tablespoons of coffee, ground or instant, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, plain, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar preferred. Chapter 3. Instructions. Prepare the dye mixture. In a small saucepan, combine the ground coffee, cocoa powder, cornstarch, honey, and water. Stir the mixture over low heat until it forms a smooth paste. Ensure that there are no lumps. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool down to room temperature. Add yogurt and vinegar. Once the mixture has cooled, add the plain yogurt and vinegar. Mix well until all ingredients are thoroughly combined. The yogurt helps to condition the hair, while the vinegar acts as a natural fixative for the dye. Chapter 4. Apply the dye. Before applying the dye, make sure your hair is clean and free from any product buildup. Divide your hair into sections for easier application. Put on gloves to protect your hands from staining. Using a hair dye brush or your hands, apply the mixture evenly to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Make sure to saturate each strand thoroughly for uniform color coverage. Once your hair is fully coated, cover it with a shower cap or plastic wrap to prevent the dye from drying out. Let it sit. Allow the dye to sit on your hair for at least 2 hours. For deeper color intensity, you can leave it on for longer, even overnight. Chapter 5. Rinse and condition. After the desired processing time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Follow up with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to lock in the color and keep your hair soft and manageable. Style as desired. Once your hair is dry, style it as usual to showcase your beautiful new color. Enjoy your luscious locks with rich, natural-looking shades of mocha and java. Chapter 6. Conclusion. With this recipe, not only will your hair look vibrant, but it will also feel healthier and shinier. Imagine the feel of your strands revitalized with nature's very own color palette, free from the harshness of chemicals. The magic lies in the simplicity of this recipe, a testament to the beauty of nature and the wonders it can do for your hair. Now, it's your turn to experience this natural goodness. A simple, natural way to color your hair without damaging it. Give it a go and embrace the transformation. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. It's time to explore, learn, and grow together in our journey towards natural hair care. Please see the link below for more videos regarding natural healing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.